Mortgage rates have risen to 6.64%, causing homebuyers to pause, with affordability slipping for the fifth straight month. This could mean an additional $12,000 per year in mortgage payments. This video is for first-time home buyers who are struggling to understand the impact of high mortgage rates on their purchasing power. You will learn how to navigate the current housing market, understand the effects of high mortgage rates on home affordability, and make informed decisions when buying your first home. What are high mortgage rates? High mortgage rates refer to the interest rates charged on mortgages, currently at 6.64%. This means that for every $100,000 borrowed, you'll pay $6,640 per year in interest, or $552 per month, plus principal. How do high mortgage rates affect home affordability? With high mortgage rates, the cost of borrowing increases, making homes less affordable. For example, a $400,000 home with a 20% down payment and a 6.64% mortgage rate will have a monthly mortgage payment of $2,027, compared to $1,733 at a 5% rate, a difference of $294 per month. What's the current state of the housing market? The housing market is experiencing a slowdown due to high mortgage rates, with home sales decreasing by 10% in the past quarter. This slowdown has resulted in a 5% decrease in home prices over the past year, making it a more buyer-friendly market. How can you navigate the real estate market with high mortgage rates? To navigate the real estate market with high mortgage rates, consider working with a real estate agent who can help you find affordable homes, and explore options like adjustable-rate mortgages or government-backed loans, which may offer lower interest rates, such as 5.5% for a 5-year ARM. What are some tips for making informed decisions as a first-time buyer? As a first-time buyer, it's essential to understand your budget, credit score, and the total cost of homeownership, including property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, which can add up to 30% of the purchase price. Consider factors like commute time, schools, and resale value when choosing a home, and don't hesitate to walk away if the deal isn't right. How can you stay informed about mortgage news and interest rates? Stay informed about mortgage news and interest rates by following reputable sources like the Federal Reserve, National Association of Realtors, and financial news outlets. This will help you make informed decisions and adjust your strategy as the market changes, such as taking advantage of a potential 0.5% rate drop in the next quarter. If you're a first-time buyer struggling to navigate the current housing market, click the link in our description to download our free guide to understanding high mortgage rates and home affordability. Don't let high mortgage rates hold you back from achieving your dream of homeownership. Take action today and start building wealth through real estate.